In a show of commitment to their community's well-being, nearly 100 Adventists in Sandaun Province participated in an 11-kilometer walk for life on August 18, 2024. The fitness initiative, organized by the Sepik SDA Health Services, was part of a broader effort to address the growing prevalence of lifestyle diseases affecting the region. We are encouraging our members and leaders in the church to promote healthy lifestyle and to take the lead in this dreadful epidemic of lifestyle diseases that is plaguing our communities here in the country, said Mr. Ibis Malaiton, the Associate Health Director of Sepik Mission, who joined the walkers. The event came on the heels of a week-long local church governance systems training, underscoring the Adventist community's holistic approach to empowering its members. Following the walk, participants gathered for a governance toast to celebrate the successful completion of the training program. Organizers hope this inaugural event will inspire Adventists across Sandaun Province to prioritize their health and wellness, thereby setting a positive example for their communities. With non-communicable diseases on the rise, such grassroots initiatives could play a crucial role in stemming the tide. By taking this collective stride towards better living, the Adventists of Sandaun have demonstrated their commitment to leading the way towards a healthier future for all.